This is Aryan and you are watching our YouTube channel ASP. Today we gonna unbox the Redmi 6 mobile, which is officially from Xiaomi. It has got a 5.45-inch display with 12nm MediaTek Helio processor and 3000 mAh battery, 13 ampere and a 13 ampere rear camera. So this is a made in India product which is rose gold in color, a 16 GB variant officially from MI known as Xiaomi, and in other specs it has dual 4G LTE plus LTE and supports WCDMA with a SIM card slot with SD card, and it has 2 GB RAM with 12nm processor. So if you are looking for a smartphone that will be in your budget, this is the best smartphone for it. Now we will try to open it, and this is our smartphone Redmi 6A as per given, 5.45 HD plus display with Helio A22 quad core processor and a 3000 mAh battery. So this is our rose gold variant, and it's everything written IMEI, model number, etc. Made by Xiaomi, made in India, etc. And we will find the products found in the box. This is a user manual just for quick setup guide. So here is given, thank you for choosing Redmi 6A, etc, etc. E-waste, and this is also just a manual, nothing special. And this is our charger, fast charging enabled, I think so, with 5 volt preference as per given in it. It has a USB port to plug in the USB cable to make it a charger, and this is our USB cable. It is our USB cable, and the pin to open this SD card slot is also there. So it's the best smartphone if you want. Now we take this Redmi 6 mobile. It's a polythene printed in front of it, glass guard type, and it is a 13 megapixel back camera with a flashlight and speaker given at the back side, and a front camera of 5 megapixels with sensors and a front speaker. It has no physical buttons, the inbuilt buttons are there, and this is the side view, the power button and the volume keys, and this is the USB port for charging and to connect a OTG device with a small microphone, and this is the SIM card slot. One is SIM card plus SD card and one is SIM card slot, and this is aux port with some extraordinary things. So now we have the phone, we are powering it on. So here we press the power key, so now it's booting up. First boot may take time because it have to set up the official MI logo, and it's booting up. Now it's started, it's written just a sec, and here it is the MIUI 10 full HD display. Here is choose the language, we have choose English India, and just proceed it, and to choose the region, India. Here it is, Yeah, India. Done. Now it's setting up region. It may take time. It's still loading. It's still loading. And now it has started asking for a connection. Skip terms and conditions. Move on. Skip. Asking for a SIM card. We'll skip it. We'll skip it. Okay, skip. Done. Now done. Asking for a password. No, we don't find it. Choose theme. You will choose default and setup complete. Now it's loading its apps, just setting up the final initialization, and now it's almost to be get configured. Just 4 to 5 minutes. And now it's ready. See, the lock screen is quite fine, and this is the major UI. It's powered with Android 8.1, MIUI 20.2.6. It's a very progressive UI, and the notification bar is same as Pi, and here it is, the Android version Oreo, the official Easter egg, and the MIUI version MIUI Global. It's global module of MIUI. It's 2 GB RAM, CPU MediaTek A22 Helio, and in my opinion it's a best mobile to buy. And let me try to uninstall apps. How much time it takes? Wow, it takes only 1 to 2 seconds. Fast. Now it open Google by this gesture. New gestures. In my opinion, if you want a mobile in the rupees 7k, it's best mobile to buy in the 7k, because it has a light full of features and a very good hardware. So guys, if you find my video useful, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe my channel, and also press the notification icon. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.